Borders are everywhere. It's an ubiquitous thing. Human mind cannot think without borders.
In this very globalized art scene, it is one thing to claim the US and to deal with the issues here of racism and so on, but we have to realize that's also an issue worldwide.
The theme of the exhibition is very open-ended. It welcomes a lot of interdisciplinary studies, especially gender and sexuality studies, environmental studies. Issues of border and war and ethnic violence are happening all across the world. I'm trying to bring those issues up with my students because once they see the works, they start to reflect on what's happening here.
What I really like about the residency project is that the college community is actually making use of it. Studio visits, class interaction, that social side of it is really useful, I think.
All of the exhibitions and programs are interdisciplinary. This one in particular provides a really good opportunity for students that maybe have found contemporary art challenging, but they see some way that they can connect with these artists.
It's about showing the process. Artists come here, sharing their experience. That's the beauty of this exchange. There is more connection.
Something very beautiful happened as I came here. I had a very clear plan what I was going to do. When you go to a place and you bring your own structure, you don't give credit to the dynamics of the place. That is a very authoritarian approach. Maybe the people, the gallery, the environment. I just reacted by way of intuition mostly.
Jagath uses his art to comment on the intersections between human rights, Buddhist beliefs, and nationalism.
I'm engaging with this condition of what happens to the individual when caught by organized regimes of violence.
My students see that echoing in what Tintin and Yong Soon are working on, thinking about how division is created and how that can be amplified by mechanisms working all across the world.
All the artists have knowledge and awareness of politics. It's just fabulous. So you can talk about anything with them.
And I think that's all part of being a global contemporary artist working in a transnational environment. This residency program is opening our eyes to a lot of different issues that are happening globally.